Welcome sa kusina ni Mrs. O. On the table, nachos, salsa, queso salsa, fryer, french fries, mojos, cross-cut fries. On the grill, longganisa, Polish sausage, all sausages, Johnsonville, extra, spaghetti, sauces and toppings, aioli, sriracha, mayo, ketchup, mustard, cheese sauce, fresh salsa, chili con carne, sour cream, Vietnamese pickles, veggies, jalapenos, pickle relish, grated cheese, tomato hot sauce, bar, vodka only, soft drinks, right and light, ice and water. Okay, that's it.
Hello at welcome ulit sa kusina ni Mrs. O. At ang episode na ito ang pinaka-labo-labo episode. Labo-labo because hindi ko alam paano i-present, but it's supposed to give you an idea. So basically, di ba normally when we present episodes, it's one recipe, papakita ko yung plating, and I think may mga nag-request last December, di ba, shinow namin yung aming Christmas party at kung ano yung spread. Lalo na yung mga nanay, yung mga ini-invite kaibigan yung mga anak ninyo. So these are just one of those ideas for you to have. So hindi lang parating pare-pareho ang repertoire or yung ating linalagay sa ating mga buffet tables pag may mga bisita. So for today, Bobby, wag mo akong agawan ng moment. Tira mo siya. Oh. Wag mo akong agawan ng moment. Anyway, so for today, some of our team members in the office or in our team, mga nag-celebrate ng birthday noong December and January. So kinumbine lang namin. I'm just putting a party together. So it's a grill out. Kaya nga I'm saying it's the labo-labo episode. Walang title, walang recipe. Kung baga, ginawa ko siyang in different stations. So on the table, ibig sabihin, pagpasok mo sa party, on the table, may nachos, may salsa, at saka queso salsa. Madali lang yun kasi binili ko lang siya. Queso salsa at salsa. Ganun lang. Kasi nga, hindi naman ako caterer. I'm also part of the party. So when I do design food for the party, it's something they're munching on while I'm preparing things. Tapos sa deep fat fryer, nandun yung french fries, mojos, and crisp cut fries. Doon sa grill, nakita niyo siya lahat. Yan ang sausages namin. Yan. So ibig sabihin, iba-ibang sausages, lalagay nyo ngayon sa hotdog bun. Pwede ka pumili shublig, Polish sausage, Johnsonville hotdog, Delimundo hotdog, Hungarian sausage, bratwurst, Italian garlic, at longganisa. So, it's the no rice party. If you want rice, di ka invited sa party na to. No rice party because you create your own. So, you choose your sausage and then different sauces and toppings. So, may sauces, may toppings. So, yung sauces natin, meron tayong mayonnaise, Thousand Island, masarap din siya. Sriracha aioli. So, it's basically garlic mayonnaise with sriracha. That's of course, mustard. And then, we're gonna do cheese sauces. Yeah, I'm gonna mix it all up para may cheese sauce. And then, I'm making chili con carne. Di ba ang sarap ng hotdog, tapos sa top mo with chili con carne? And we have the bottled salsa, but we will also make fresh salsa. And then, if you remember our episode, yung tocino na ginawa nating banh mi, yung parang Vietnamese relish, we're doing that also because masarap siya pang topping sa longganisa. So, na-excite na ba kayo sa labo-labo episode na ito? At syempre, on the side, meron pa kaming kiddie spaghetti. Yan, para sa mga birthday celebrants ng December and January. So, happy birthday sa ating mga team members mula sa office ng asawa ko. So, yun lang and see you later at the party. Why don't you watch how we prepare all of these things? Let's go! Ito yung longganisa. So, ngayon, ang ginagawa natin, dahil labo-labo episode to, nag-rearrange lang tayo. Basically, these are frankfurters or hot dogs or beef franks. And then, ito yung sausages part. Ito yung Filipino area. So, wala pa tayo sa station na yun. So, para later, grill lang tayo. So, kanina wala akong microphone. Ang sinasabi ko, kukontian ko lang siguro yung Filipino area kasi baka mas gusto nila yung western nga. Yun yung aming scene. Okay. Yun lang siya, hinanda natin. Mayonnaise, tapos. Pag naghahanda kayo, dapat meron kayong parating pig's bin or trash bin para hindi kayo takbo ng takbo dun sa basurahan. Kasi ito, Meron tayong french fries, di ba? May french fries, may mojos, tsaka yung crust-cut fries. So, masarap to as a dipping sauce. Paano gumawa ng Thousand Island dressing? Bibili ka ng ganito, bubuksan mo, yun na siya. Hindi, pero sa totoong buhay lang. Kasi nga, it's a party, and I wanted to also enjoy the party. I didn't wanna be stuck naman sa kusina na luluto lang. So, konti lang talaga lulutuin ko today. Ang lulutuin ko is the silicone carne para pang topping. Tapos, I'll just do the fresh salsa, sriracha. I'm actually mixing 2 brands. If you want to make your own sriracha, it's mayonnaise and then just buy the ready-made sriracha. So that's one way to do it also. Normally, sa ganito, like sa sandwiches, ang pinaka-unpopular is mustard. So ngayon, sa ganito, I will mix a bit of water para ma-scrape ko yan. When you're squeezing it, sayang oh. Look at that, ang dami. So what I'm gonna do, so it's about 1/4 and I'm going to shake it. O, kala mo bubuhos ko dito. Bubuhos ko pa dito para ma-scrape ko naman ito. Yun. Sayang eh. Ang dami pa. And it's so thick, so it's hard to scrape it off. Ayan. Okay, sayang. And then, see? Easy, right? Pero, tapos nito, may matitira pa rin and it's sayang. So basically, when you think about it, yung binibili mo, parang 20% na sa stock dyan kung hindi mo ito gagawin. 100 over 100 na ako. Diba? Siguro mamaya maraming magkakamal dito. Akala nila cheese sauce. Pero may pagka-anghang. So, I'm just gonna mix it up. So, we're using 2 kinds. French mustard, American mustard. Difference ng French mustard, tingnan nyo naman yung color. This is the European or French mustard. May speckle siya. And then, if it's American mustard, it's the smooth one. Of course, ito maraming magke-ketchup kasi ano yan? The theme is hotdog grill out. Yan ang good news. Pwedeng paper plates kasi bagay sa theme. Walang hugas after, o diba? Tapos ito, I'm just gonna put the barbecue marinade for those who want barbecue sauce. Because masarap naman yung barbecue sauce na to. Halo mo with mayonnaise. Tapos doon i-dip yung french fries. So, what's nice with this party, you can mix and match. Tapos kung pangit yung pagkain, hindi mo kasalanan kasi sila nag-mix and match. So, this is hickory or the barbecue marinade ng Clara Olay. Hindi ako nag-endorse sa kanila but I like their products actually. So, this one, talagang you can smell the smokiness. So, if you mix this and this is barbecue sauce mayonnaise. Masarap siya to dip with french fries. This and add a little bit of pickle. Ito yung Thousand Island dressing. This one is sriracha. So, it's a little bit spicy. So, if too spicy for you, add mo naman siya ng mayonnaise. Tapos, kung ayaw naman sobrang sort of parang honey mustard, you mix this and mayonnaise. So, that's why dinamin ko yung mayonnaise because it will be the base. As we go along later, sila yung bahala mag-mix and match. And of course, we'll do the cheese sauce, which will be here. So, the cheese sauce, you can also mix and match. So, diba? Very easy. So, I'm making 2 kinds of salsa because this salsa is good with nachos. Pero, when you mix it with chili con carne and hotdog, I still prefer the fresh salsa. So, that's why I'm making it. So, I'm gonna put it here. Of course, ito, lalagay ko dito. Huwag muna tapunin kasi maglalagay tayo ng konting tubig dahil sayang. Mamaya nyo pa makikita yung resulta ng buong party na ito at ng mga pinagagawa natin. Nanonood sila buo para lang magsimot ng jar. Ayan. Maraming salamat sa kakanood ng kusina ni Mrs. O. Marunong na kayo magsimot ng jar. Yun. Thou shall bash yourself, so no bashers shall come. That's the new rule for 2026. Look at that. Everything is filling up. Ang ganda-ganda na ng itsura ng buffet, pero wala pa tayong niluluto. Queso salsa. Ibig sabihin, may konti na siyang salsang nakahalo. So, since it's very, very thick, see, you really need to water it down para ma-scrape yung sides. Ganda, diba? So, basically, the nachos are already on the table. So, sila na lang kukuha ng kanilang sauce. So, when you make parties like this, diba, parang it's different. Parang in a way, you're just actually serving one thing. It's like a hotdog sandwich, but you elevated it. Mga guests pipili ng kung anong iba't ibang hotdog. Or pwede pa nga longganisa if they want it Asian style. Tapos, even if it's just 2 kinds of hotdog, pwede pa nila iba-iba yung lasa kasi depending anong topping ilalagay nila. I just really wanted to share like a party idea. Meron pa akong isa idea in my head. One of these days I want to do a sandwich party. Choose your bread, tapos choose your palaman. Pero ito naman, it's just one. It's just hot dog, no? So, yun lang, I just thought of sharing it kasi parang in a way, it's a different kind of doing a buffet. It's like a buffet, pero in a way, it's like make your own, diba? Everything is cooked. So, yun lang. This is sour cream. Okay, so basically, sour cream is good with chili con carne. So, mamaya, when we make the chili con carne, masarap siya as topping for the nachos. Masarap siya topping for the hot dog or the sausages or the frankfurter. And masarap din siyang topping for the french fries, especially the mojos. O, diba? Look at that spread. Kaninang gulo-gulo natin. Alika na, magluto na tayo ng chili con carne. There you go. So now, we'll be making the chili con carne, but one of the things that you need would be the taco seasoning. Olive oil. This one, medyo matagal-tagal mag-heat up to kasi medyo mas makapal yung pan, yung ilalim. So, just onions, garlic, and then we're just gonna put some ground beef, and then the taco seasoning, salt, pepper, and then tomato sauce. And a little bit of Tabasco. Or a lot. And then with me, I like putting a little bit of sugar kasi it tends to be medyo maasim to. Plus, we don't have time to really simmer it. If you remember our episode before, when we made chili con carne, we thickened it with tablea. Kung may natitira nun, pwede mo itago naman sa freezer. So this is one way also of using chili con carne. Isasama siya sa spread, no? Sa buffet spread. This is 1 kilo, no? Yeah, there you go. Hihintayin ko lang siya mag-brown before I add the taco seasoning. We're gonna be using this. We're gonna add red kidney beans. So, you would want to drain it kasi nga matagal siyang naka-can. So, you don't want that canny taste. Para lang. Medyo mas intense ang flavor because it will be used as a topping. Ooh. So this is just plain tomato sauce. Yeah. And then this one, I will add 1 tablea. Just gonna mix it. And our Tabasco. Sugar, care of Hotel. So this one just needs a little bit of simmering para mabawasan yung asin ng tomato sauce. And now we will make the garlic corn cheese. So I'm gonna turn off the fire for a while. And I'm gonna turn this on. And we're gonna make the corn cheese, which is very easy. I'm actually mixing Cheese Whiz and Clara Ole. Kasi if you compare the two brands, parang medyo mas maalat ang Cheese Whiz. So to balance it out, I'm adding Clara Ole, which is much milder. So here, yeah. If you have garlic powder, it would be nice to add it just to enhance the flavor of the garlic. Although the garlic that I'm using is the native one, so medyo mas potent siya in taste. So playing the corn now. just probably heat it up later on. So basically, sugar. Okay, so this is vinegar. This one, I'm just gonna put more singkamas and carrots kasi nga hindi masyadong malanta. This. So we're adding cilantro and the thigh paste. Mayonnaise. Addition. Hotdog. Top with chili con carne. Queso. A little bit of sour cream. Jalapeno, you like? So ito yung first try. It's the Johnsonville hotdog with chili con carne, queso con salsa, sour cream, and jalapenos. Doon na tayo kay favorite taste tester.
Ooh, looks very good. Daming cheese, melted cheese, and good.
But so yummy.
It's good. Okay.
So there we go. Lime. Dadaan ko lang dito para lang walang seeds. So there. Kulang pa. So there. And that's it. We're ready for our party. So just a quick review. This is our grill out sausage, hot dog / frankfurters, labo-labo kind of episode. Wala akong title for the closing, but basically, this is Kusina ni Mrs. O sharing another way of throwing a party na simple lang. So we have two kinds of salsa, the fresh and the bottled. We have chili con carne, two kinds of cheeses, one with salsa, one with corn and garlic. We have jalapeno, pickles, sriracha mayo, mayonnaise, Thousand Island dressing, French mustard, American mustard, Vietnamese relish, sour cream, barbecue sauce, ketchup, a little bit of Tabasco, konti pang dayap, pwedeng para sa salsa, pwedeng para sa vodka, kung ano man ang gusto nila. So we're ready and we are all excited to have this party. So again, thank you for watching Kusina ni Mrs. O. At sana po, repeat ninyo sa inyong mga bahay, especially kung may mga bisita kayo. It's simple, pero impressive, di ba? Kasi parang merienda na snack na very heavy. So with that, maraming salamat and see you on our next episode. Marami kaming taste testers today. Hindi ako mapapahiya. Bye!
Ang sarap. Kakadami talaga ako nito. Ang sarap.
Ang sarap! Thank you, Kusina ni Mrs. O!